Census is critical to making sure we know which of our customers are on track and who needs help in deriving the value we really hope they achieve. Before Census, I've always had the problem of getting any sort of data into software tools I use. So classic if this then that tools like Tray, Workato, and Zapier are not geared well towards this type of data transfer. I was always looking for cheap tricks or hacks, and they never sort of fit the bill. Some of the features that I was really looking for in a tool like Census was reliable syncing to all the different software companies that we use in our tech stack. I wanted it to be really easy for a non-technical engineer to be able to make those changes, and what really resonated with me was not being stuck at the end of the ticketing line with the IT team in order to set things up. We use Census to have the same data that is exposed in BI to our end users be the same data that is synced downstream to tools like Salesforce or to Intercom, so that we have a source of truth that the team can rely on. Separately, we use Census to be able to send operational data into all of our source tools where our daily users act. I think the biggest impact is speed and agility in which we can move. We haven't had to rely on various different teams to build custom pipelines to certain SaaS tools. There's just one team working within analytics closely with the RevOps function, and we're able to quickly set up new data syncs for different outcomes and for different purposes. So it's definitely been time to value and an ability to coordinate a lot quicker. By having tools like Census and operational analytics as a concept, we're able to utilize better tools for the job that make the outcomes easier and help keep Salesforce instances lighter and cleaner and easy to make changes to for our end users.